This is day 4 of Mr. Weather Forecast in 60 seconds. Let's get started. So, as you can see, we are issuing a few cold weather advisories for some parts of the very north central and the south central, and even for some parts of the very east coast, I believe. So, this is what y'all are going to be having. Probably cold weathers, maybe cooler temperatures, and also for the very north, you can see that there is extreme cold warnings that are in effect for some parts of the very northern of North Dakota, and also for northern Minnesota and the northwestern of Wisconsin. And also we do have some on the very northern of South Dakota, eastern Idaho, and even for the western parts of Montana. Moving on to the Storm Prediction Center. As you can see today, we are issuing a marginal risk in parts of Florida, and also for some parts of southern Georgia, and even for the southeastern Alabama. And also, according to the weather models, you can see that where it's currently right now, we do see that there is some rain going on in the very east coast, and also we do see some snow going on in the very northern Maine, and also for some parts of New York, Pennsylvania, and also Ohio, and also a few more snows going on down here in the very northern of Texas, and even for the south or the northeastern of New Mexico. As later as we go further, temperatures are right here. Currently, temperatures are in their 10s and 20s, so you will be experiencing very cooler temperatures. So I would advise y'all to stay inside and use blankets, heaters, anything else that you can use to keep yourself warm during these cold temperatures. Also, currently the snows, you can see where New Mexico, in the northeastern of New Mexico and the southeastern of Colorado, you can see that there is possibly 1 to 2 inches of snow going on. In the very northeast, you can see that there is possibly 3 to 4 inches of snow going on, and for some parts of the very northern of New York. So we will keep updates going on in New York and also for parts of Colorado and New Mexico. So this is gonna conclude this video and this short update. I hope y'all have a good night, and as always, let's go Storm Raiders, and see y'all in the very next episode. Bye bye.